I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to show you a little bit of information about one of my favorite apps, one of my go-to apps. It's this guy right here. It's called Popplet Lite. I like Popplet Lite because it's very quick and easy to use, awesome, user-friendly, kid-friendly, as well as free. So, whenever you open Popplet, it's going to look just like this, a big blank screen. And to make a Popplet box, you just double click with your finger anywhere on the box and it appears in the middle. This is going to be a text box. You can draw on it, or you can even use pictures from your library or take a picture. You can change the color of your boxes, or you can add text. Let's see, we'll do shapes. We'll just make a quick example. I can move my box anywhere I want, as well as change the size of my box. Awesome. So, to add on to my Popplet, I'm going to make a tree map for you guys. So to add on an extra box that is attached, you press any of the circles around your original Popplet. So I'm going to click this bottom circle, and it makes a little guy attached. And I'm going to, I clicked on the little mountain to open my library. I'm going to go to my photos, and I'm going to start making a tree map of shapes. So this is going to be a square. I'm going to put that in there. I'm going to make my box a little bit bigger. I can move any of my Popplets around just by touching with my finger. And I can touch my boxes to get the little circles around it, so I can add more Popplets. I added one to the right by pressing that circle. I'm going to press the mountain. I'm going to open up my library. Let's see, my kids can look for triangles. I'm going to press done to put it in there. And these are all pictures that I took with my camera roll. I made a tree map of shapes for a training I was participating in. So these are coming in handy. So like I said, I created my Popplet, I clicked on my Popplet, I click on the little mountains, and I'm opening up my library. I'm going to my photos, and I'm finding whatever I want to add into it. So now I'll do a circle. I'll press done. Okay, so now I can drag, just put my finger anywhere on the gray, and I can drag my thinking map around, or I can pinch and make it smaller so it'll fit on the page. Now I'm going to leave some areas for my kids to fill in information by pressing the bottom Popplet, the little circles underneath each of my boxes. So I want this one to have some connected underneath it, and I want this one to have some connected underneath it. Awesome. Now I'm going to pinch it, drag it around, and now I've got a tree map. Where either, if I wanted my kids to use this in Popplet, they can just click on the Popplet and either use the take photo icon off of the mountain screen, walk around my classroom and find circles, squares, or triangles. They can draw their own shapes, or even type in something that could be a circle. So they could type in a sun. So I could easily do something like that. Or I can take a screenshot of my thinking map and upload it into another app, such as Pic Collage, so that way they have a background of my thinking map, and then they can place their information on top of it using all the different stickers, pictures, or anything else that they wanted to inside that app. I like to do that because then they don't mess up my boxes like this and delete stuff and then make me really sad and have to redo it every time. So this is a very quick and easy app. I love it for stations. I also love it for whole group. If your classroom has AirPlay in it, it's great. You can AirPlay it onto your projector and let kids take pictures around your classroom. and your whole class gets to watch their camera and watch them put it on the screen. It's pretty neat. So just some ideas for you. I like to use this with shapes, colors. A lot of times I'll do letters inside of the top boxes, and they'll have to find things in the classroom that start with that letter, or just pretty much anything you can use with this. And you can make all kinds of different thinking maps. You can delete Popplets, add Popplets, whatever you want to do. So awesome. I hope this was helpful. I hope you utilize this when school starts back up. And I hope you just play with it and enjoy it. So let me know if you have questions or anything else, and I'll help you. So cool. You'll have a great day. Bye.